Good morning to those of you who are watching this in the morning. Today is a bit of a different video. I haven't uploaded in a while, and that's honestly because where I live, it's been a lockdown plus work. But today I decided that I'm just gonna go for a short photo trip. So we're driving to downtown Toronto, which is about an hour away from where I live. We're gonna take the XT3 out and shoot some photos and really test out the Viltrox 33mm 1.4. See if that's a viable replacement for the Fuji 35mm 1.4. So I hope you enjoy this vlog style video as we go on our journey. Stay tuned. If the first thing that comes to your mind when you see this video is why am I wearing a jacket inside, it's because I live in Canada and I'm not built for this. Welcome to another video. This video is going to be a little different. I've done these kind of videos before, but this footage is actually 2 years old. I was watching a bunch of my favorite YouTubers, and I noticed that a few of them were putting out these compilation videos of photo shoots that they had previously scrapped and never made into an official video because they don't like one thing or the other. Well, when I watch a lot of these things, I think to myself, wow, these pictures are actually good and the video is pretty decent. You should have made it a video. So I thought to myself, is there any footage that I have that I've done the same thing? And I went into the archives and essentially found this video. So at the time, I had just purchased my Fuji XT3, which I'm shooting with right now. And I was looking for a standard lens, which is a 50mm equivalent. I could have purchased a Fujifilm 35mm 1.4, or I could go to the Viltrox 33mm 1.4. So naturally, being budget conscious, I went and picked up the Viltrox 33mm 1.4, really great deal on Amazon, and I went out and did a photo shoot with it, and so this video is that photo shoot. Spoiler alert, if you're looking for the conclusion, it's simply this. The 33mm f1.4 from Viltrox is 95% as good as the new Fujifilm 33mm 1.4 and 35mm 1.4 from Fujifilm. And so if you are budget conscious, 100%, don't even think about it, shoot the Viltrox 33mm 1.4. It has only one simple flaw. At 1.4, its widest aperture, it's a little soft, but you can bring it back in post and you'll not be able to tell the difference. Other than that, it's pretty much as good as the new 33mm 1.4, and I would say slightly better than the 35mm 1.4 from Fujifilm because that lens is super old and it has the old focusing motors. This one has the new focusing motors, and so again, if you don't want to watch this entire video and you're budget conscious and you're thinking about picking up this lens, 100% stop thinking about it, pick up this lens. This is also what it looks like on video. All right, well, enjoy the video, and I guess I'll see you in the next one.